Best cameras for portraits. As portrait photography continues to grow in popularity, both for professional work and personal creativity, the demand for the best cameras for portraits has never been higher. Buyers now look for models that offer exceptional image quality, reliable autofocus, comfortable handling, and long-lasting durability. In this guide, we evaluate a range of portrait-friendly cameras based on sensor performance, build quality, shooting layout, and overall value to help you choose the perfect model for stunning, crisp, and expressive portraits.
Product number 1. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. The Canon EOS Rebel T7 stands out as one of the most beginner-friendly yet highly capable portrait cameras in the DSLR category. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel aps-c sensor, it delivers impressive sharpness and natural skin tones that make portrait subjects look vibrant and lifelike. Its Digit 4 Plus processor ensures smooth performance, while the 9-point autofocus system reliably locks onto faces, even in challenging lighting situations. The camera's sturdy build and ergonomic grip make it comfortable during extended shoots, and the optical viewfinder provides a classic DSLR experience for accurate framing. With built-in Wi-Fi, sharing your portraits becomes effortless. The Rebel T7 offers excellent value for those wanting professional-style portraits without the high price tag, making it a popular pick for new photographers and hobbyists stepping into portrait photography.
Product number 2. Kodak PixPro FZ55. The Kodak PixPro FZ55 is a compact, lightweight camera that appeals to portrait photographers who want simplicity without sacrificing quality. Equipped with a 16-megapixel sensor and a 5x optical zoom, it delivers crisp and detailed images, ideal for up-close portrait shots. The camera offers multiple shooting modes, including face detection, that help enhance skin tones and maintain clarity across different lighting environments. Its slim, pocketable design means you can take it anywhere, making spontaneous portraits easier than ever. Despite its small build, the FZ55 feels durable and user-friendly, with an intuitive button layout suitable for beginners. The 1080p Full HD video capability also adds versatility for those who want to capture both stills and moving portraits. For travelers, casual shooters, or anyone who values convenience and performance, the FZ55 is a reliable portrait companion at an affordable price. Product number 3. Kodak PixPro Friendly Zoom FZ45. The Kodak PixPro FZ45 is designed for users who want a camera that balances compact styling with strong portrait performance. With a 16.1 megapixel sensor and a 4x optical zoom, it produces vibrant images with good color accuracy, making it suitable for outdoor and indoor portrait sessions. The face tracking feature helps maintain focus on subjects, reducing the chances of blurry expressions. Its lightweight build ensures you can carry it all day without fatigue, while the intuitive menus make operations straightforward for beginners. The FZ45 also records 1080p video, giving you flexibility for portrait clips or behind-the-scenes content. Its simple controls and reliable autofocus make it an excellent entry-level choice for portrait creators who want value and convenience without the complications found in advanced cameras. Product number 4. Camcori Digital Camera. The Camcori Digital Camera offers an appealing blend of affordability and impressive imaging performance, making it a solid choice for portrait enthusiasts. Featuring FHD image resolution and a high-quality lens design, it produces clear images with natural color reproduction, key for capturing flattering portraits. Its lightweight, travel-ready design makes it convenient for on-the-go shooting, while the easy-to-navigate controls ensure beginners can operate it without hassle. The included features like face detection, anti-shake, and multiple scene modes help users achieve sharp, clean portraits even in less than ideal lighting conditions. Additionally, the camera supports 1080p video for smooth recording, making it suitable for vloggers or hybrid creators. For those who want a budget-friendly option that still delivers reliable portrait quality, the Camcori digital camera is a well-rounded pick. Product number 5. Dulavulu 4K Digital Camera. The Dulavulu 4K digital camera targets modern portrait photographers looking for high-resolution stills and detailed video performance. With its 48MP photo capability and 4K video recording, this camera delivers crisp, vivid portraits that highlight fine facial details beautifully. It includes advanced features such as face detection, time-lapse, and built-in stabilization, which collectively enhance image clarity and make shooting smoother for beginners and hobbyists. The flip-out screen is especially useful for self-portraits or vlog-style content, allowing users to frame themselves effortlessly. Its compact build ensures easy portability, while the clean, intuitive interface means you can start shooting quality portraits right out of the box. For users wanting modern features, strong image quality, and exceptional value, the Dulavulu 4K digital camera is an excellent portrait-focused option.